All right, guys, we got an awesome product. This is the DIY instant print camera. Let kids' creativity come to life. So we're going to open it up. My kids love taking pictures, and the print aspect helps bring it to life. Don't you think?
Yeah.
Absolutely. So we're going to crack this open.
Probably games.
Could be games on it. We're going to see. You got a user manual right on top. It says a little thank you, the warranty card. I love having warranties with the kids' stuff. Can you open this up for me while I look at everything else? Really cool. You got a lanyard, so you can stick that right on the side of the actual camera.
Should I take this off?
Sure, babe. There's a little paper right there, a little reminder on it to register it. You have 3 things of paper right there. And what's super cool about this is how you print it. You can actually print it and color on these. So it gives you kind of a blank canvas to be able to color on it as well, which makes it super nice. Last but not least, check out USB-C. USB is your charge cable, so you are good to go. Let's go ahead and open this up. Can we get it, babe?
I got it.
Okay.
This holds the hold part. The other side is the easy one.
Absolutely. There you go. Perfect. Perfect. So now that we got that off the back, definitely take a look. Overall, you put the lanyard on the side.
And it comes out from here.
Yep. You have a 32 gigabyte USB or not USB, micro US or SD card in here. Nice and easy to use. If I get my fingers working. You have over here is going to be your charge cable, and then lanyard on the other side. We have our power on top. Let's go ahead and turn that on. Now, what's super cool about this is you can take pictures, it'll save the photos, and you can print them out at any point in time from the front of the unit. So on the back of it, you have your camera, you have video, you can play all your pictures, settings, and what do you like in the middle?
Games.
We got games in the middle. And music. So all the buttons will help take you around this, but let's go ahead and do what we come to do, which is take an actual photo. Yeah. Let's see if we can do one together.
How can you color on it?
So it's a pretty easy process. Let's go ahead and get one of these open.
Then we're going to save the rest.
Absolutely, saving the rest. So with the paper, you're just going to tear off the front little part, just like you should. Okay. We are going to drop this in. Just like that. Okay. We're going to turn our stuff on. All right. Now, once we are on, we have the paper here ready to go. So we're going to be looking to take a photo, which we're going to do the select button or hit the OK. And you can see what that is on the other side. Let's go ahead and see if we have. So on the outside, you can change the exterior. I think we should have unicorns. What do you think?
Yeah.
All right, let's do unicorns. Let's see if you and I can get in the photo. Mom, can you see the photo on the back of the camera? Are we in camera? Tell us when.
Do it. Try.
All right, we took it. So now that we're on the back, let's go ahead and go back to our photos themselves. Let's hit the play button.
Now you get to see it, and it might print if you say okay.
Well, we should take it again. Let's take it again. Daddy doesn't do things backwards, but we're going to figure it out. So let's hit okay. I'm going to take a photo of Eustace. And... oh, we got to hold it down. Okay, 3, 2, 1, bam. So once you've taken the picture, we're going to start printing out. Look how easy this is. Just like that. So we had to get it in order. And it is going to print out sideways. So you can see the photo coming out here. Look at that pretty face. That is it.
And I'm missing my tooth.
You are missing your tooth. So, and you have a little place that you can rip it off like that. And then what's super cool about this is you can color it however you want to. The paper is going to be perfect to make some coloring happen. What I do like about it is with the coloring side of things, if you choose one that has the design around the edges, like the unicorn or spaceship or something like that, it gives you something to color to go along with the photo. Do we like it?
Yeah.
What do we usually say?
Check it out.
Check it out.